I just got the call a few minutes ago that her baby chicks are at the post office, so I'm on my way there to pick them up now. With the chicks, and I'm getting ready to put them in their brooder. Here they are. There's supposed to be 15 of them. Golden laced Wyandottes, barred rocks, Delaware, and Rhode Island Reds. So I've got their brooder set up. I've got some water and feed ready for them. Just bought a bag of chick starter from a local feed store, and the water doesn't have any medication or anything in it as of yet. Says not to put anything in for at least 4 hours, but I probably will put some probiotics or maybe some electrolytes in it a little bit later this afternoon. Try to get them off to a good start. Go ahead and start putting these little guys in their new home. Say hi. I'm gonna stick their little beak in the water just so they'll know where it's at. He took a little drink. So I'll go ahead and transfer the rest of these guys in here. They're starting to adapt to their new space. They're finding the food and water, and they're thirsty little guys and hungry. They're all eating and drinking, or most of them have been. I think there's a couple extra in there. I said we ordered 15, but looks like they sent a couple extra. I've got their heat lamp on them, but I'm going to try to find a little small thermometer that I can put down there in the bottom of the brooder with them to keep up with the temperature, and maybe make some adjustments on this heat lamp as far as placement or even the size of the bulb. Try to get it about right for them. Here are these guys a few hours later, and actually changed out their water and their food. Give them some fresh food and water, and actually put some probiotics and some homemade electrolytes in their water. I used a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda per a gallon of water. I'm gonna give them that tonight, maybe tomorrow, and see how they do. Folks, we ordered these baby chicks from Cackle Hatchery out in Missouri, and I really like the service so far. They arrived healthy and alive, and they actually put 2 extras in there. So we're excited to watch these chickens grow. It's the first time I've had chickens in about 20 years probably. So I'll update you in some future videos. Got to build a coop and a run for them. That'll be coming up pretty soon. Of course, we'll be keeping them in the brooder and watching them pretty closely for the next few weeks till they get a little bit bigger. But if you guys got any tips for us, I'd appreciate it if you leave it in the comments. We'd be open to hearing any suggestions or any tips that you've got. We appreciate you guys watching, following along on this journey. Hope you subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and God bless you.